Let us step into a world where sustainability meets style, where every bag tells a story of our commitment to a greener future. Welcome to Richie Bags. We are a government-recognized export house and recipient of many export awards. Today, we have exported our eco-friendly bags and made-ups to more than 50 countries around the world. We have a customer retention of over 90%, which is a testimony to our unwavering commitment to quality and customer-centric approach. We make various types of jute, cotton and JUCO shopping bags, like promotional bags, cotton tote bags, GOTS certified organic cotton bags, GRS certified recycled bags, beach bags, Christmas bags, cosmetic pouches, wine bags and many more. Our range also includes various types of jute and cotton made-ups. Depending on the bag model, we have the capacity to make approximately 20,000 to 50,000 bags per day. We have all production facilities from start to finish under one roof in our factory. So let's take a closer look at the entire production process behind every Richie bag. It all begins with the finest quality of materials that are sourced from the best of the mills across India. Cutting is the first step which sets the foundation for the subsequent stages of bag production. Next comes the screen making process. We have a full-fledged screen making unit in our factory to print all your beautiful customized designs. With a keen eye for detail and skilled craftsmanship, our artisans imprint the multicolored designs with precision and care on the bags, ensuring every element of the print is accurately positioned. Apart from this, we have other printing capabilities available too, like digital printing machine, which allow us to create complex, vibrant and colorful print designs to fulfill the order requirements in shorter lead time for small to medium print runs for different customers. We also have foil printing and heat transfer machines that give us the flexibility to make diverse prints where minute details can be captured with great visual impact. We follow a proper curing procedure to accelerate the drying process of the printed fabric, thereby significantly improving the color fastness of the same. The production floor is a hive of activity, with skilled artisans stitching each bag with utmost precision and due care, along with simultaneous inline checking to ensure proper remedial action in time. Since we have all the facilities in-house, we can make customized samples as per your requirements in quick turnaround time before the order is confirmed. We perform quality checks at every stage along with random tests to make sure all our bags have consistency in design, appearance and quality. These checks and balances have been kept in place to ensure that we supply export standard high-quality products and foster long-term customer satisfaction. Once the bags pass the final quality checks, they are carefully packed. The bags are packed in dehumidifier-equipped packing room to avoid problems of smell or mold. These bags are now ready to embark on their journey to our customers around the world. All our production facilities adhere to green practices, ensuring minimal environmental impact. We are a registered SEDEX member and our factory is fully compliant with SMETA 4-pillar audit norms, which cover technical, business ethics, social and environmental aspects. Our commitment to sustainability is not just limited to making eco-friendly bags, but extends throughout our production process to reduce our carbon footprint. In our threads and fibers, hope is spun. Wishing for a greener tomorrow for everyone. May our journey continue with purpose and cheer, crafting eco-friendly wonders for our customers year after year.